Hi, welcome in this video. I'm going to tell you more about how you can install the MCC version of the Labelizer. So first of all, what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna create a new script in your MCC account. You do this by going to the scripts environment. You click tools, and then in the bulk actions you can see scripts. And from there you click the button to create a new script. If you have created your new script, you see a basic format. And you paste in your new script there, and you can paste it from our library. From there, you need to enable the shopping content API. You can do this in the top right corner where you see advanced APIs. You click on it and then a new pop-up shows up where you select shopping content and you click save. After you've clicked save, you go to preview in the top or in the bottom right corner, and there you click preview. Then it starts to run, but then you need to authorize it again because there's a warning. Authorize the script. So after previewing, you copy the spreadsheet URL and you duplicate the document. If you have duplicated the document, then you get a new spreadsheet URL. You copy those from your browser and you set it in your script environment after the spreadsheet URL is. Then you set the schedule to run the script. You do this by closing your script environment, going to all of the scripts overview, and there for the labelizer you select the daily frequency. So every day the feed is updated in the spreadsheet and all of the data is there. And of course, if you watch a later version, then or how to install the supplemental feed, you will see that we set the frequency in Google Merchant Center to weekly. Those two change because your spreadsheet you want to update it daily with your daily performance and also your daily overview. And then for Merchant Center, you want it weekly. Yeah, after you've copied your spreadsheet URL, you find this nice overview. And after you've configured your script, you need to set up this spreadsheet. And it's contains of 3 items: the status, which is enabled or disabled, your account ID, and your spreadsheet URL. So first of all, if you create a new row for a new account and spreadsheet, you can click the enable button. When it's with a check, it's working. The account ID is your Google Ads account ID. It's the 9 numbers or 10, depending on the account. And your spreadsheet URL, it's like the normal single account spreadsheet. So what you need to do, you need to copy it as well, and then place the new URL in this spreadsheet. And of course, what you need to do is set up the account config in every single spreadsheet of this single account. So you need to fill in your number of days, your Merchant Center ID, your ROAS target, all of those. And you can watch our configuration guide video how to set this up. After you have done your MCC spreadsheet, that's everything you need to do. And then you can run it for multiple accounts.